how to send long videos in Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can send long videos on Messenger, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to send long videos in Messenger, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Messenger application here. So let's say that there's a certain person to whom you would like to send a long video. It's actually quite simple to send it. So just go ahead and open up a certain profile over here, and now you can just tap this little gallery icon here. Now all you have to do is just make sure you select the long video that you want to send. So depending upon how long you want to send it, because Facebook Messenger can actually use that, you can actually send up to 2 to 3 minutes long video without any restrictions. If this doesn't work for you, what you can also try to do is you can actually try to upload somewhere else and then try to send the video. Otherwise, normally if you just select those options here, you tap the gallery icon and then you will be able to send them by just tapping the send option. This way you'll be able to send long videos in Messenger. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.